A sunny day in the park. It is a sunny day. Rowan is in the park. The sun is big and yellow. "Good morning, sun," Rowan says. He is very happy. Rowan looks at a big tree. The tree is green. A small bird is in the tree. The bird is blue. "Hello, bird," Rowan says. The grass is green and soft. Rowan sees a red flower in the grass. He walks to the flower. "You are beautiful," he says to the flower. Maya is in the park too. She walks on the brown path. She looks at the tall trees and the blue sky. It is a beautiful morning. Maya sees Rowan near the flowers. She walks to him. "Hello," says Maya. Rowan looks up and smiles. "Hi," says Rowan. He stands up. "My name is Rowan." "What is your name?" he asks. "My name is Maya," she says. "The park is very pretty today." Maya points to the sky. "Look at the bird." Rowan and Maya look at the flowers. "The flowers are yellow and red," says Rowan. Maya likes the yellow flowers. They sit on the green grass. The sun is warm. They talk about the park. Rowan and Maya are new friends. The sun goes down. It is time to go home. "Goodbye, Maya," says Rowan. "Goodbye, Rowan," says Maya.
Quiz time! What color is the bird in the big tree? What is the girl's name who walks on the brown path? What color are the flowers that Maya likes? Write your answers in the comments.
Slowing go.
Nature and environment. Sun. Sun. The sun is big and yellow. Tree. Tree. The tree is green. Bird. Bird. A small bird is in the tree. Grass. Grass. The grass is green and soft. Flower. Flower. Rowan sees a red flower. Sky. Sky. She looks at the blue sky. Path. Path. She walks on the brown path. Park. Park. Rowan is in the park. Colors. Yellow. Yellow. The sun is yellow. Green. green. The tree is green. Blue, blue. The bird is blue. Red, red. Rowan sees a red flower. Brown, brown. She walks on the brown path. Adjectives and feelings. Sunny, sunny. It is a sunny day. Happy, happy. He is very happy. Big, big. Rowan looks at a big tree. Small, small. A small bird is in the tree. Soft, soft. The grass is soft. Beautiful, beautiful. You are beautiful. Tall, tall. She looks at the tall trees. Pretty, pretty. The park is very pretty. Warm, warm. The sun is warm. New, new. Rowan and Maya are new friends. Actions. Says, says. Rowan says good morning. Looks, looks. Rowan looks at a big tree. Sees, sees. Rowan sees a red flower. Walks, walks. She walks on the brown path. Smiles, smiles. Rowan looks up and smiles. Asks, asks. What is your name? He asks. Points, points. Maya points to the sky. Sit, sit. They sit on the green grass. Talk, talk. They talk about the park. Goes down, goes down. The sun goes down. Greetings and phrases. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sun. Hello. Hello. Hello, bird. Hi. Hi. Hi, says Rowan. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? He asks. My name is. My name is. My name is Maya. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Maya. Quiz time. What color is the bird in the big tree? What is the girl's name who walks on the brown path? What color are the flowers that Maya likes? Write your answers in the comments.